Right now it's 2:25. Today it'll be okay. So I'm going to try it again. If you want to go only Tanawan Falls, only 50 pesos. I got the green wristband. I'm going to the falls. Okay. People over there going for spider web. It clearly says they have a cottage, comfort room, cafeteria. Here, take a look. Tanawan Falls and swimming pool and ornamental. The first one is the cafeteria. You have the locker also over there. It's coming up. They have their own menu. You can check it out later. You can do some grilling also over here. Look. Down there, you have a hanging bridge. Let's go fly the drone over there. Hanging bridge. You can see the people. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. That's nice. Look at this. Hello, Bo. Yeah. Because yesterday full rain, I couldn't take a photo shoot. Okay. Actually, you can see the Tanawan Falls over there. That's the falls. Beautiful. Okay. Wow! Very good.
Very good.
It's very cold.
Parang walang nangyari. Is it cold?
It's cold. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Just now I enjoyed the pool. It was fantastic. This area, the climate is unstable. We don't know when it's raining, not raining also. Finally, I'm going to the waterfalls. Wow, the wind make it worse. Can swim? Can jump from there?
Yes, sir.
Can jump from?
Forbidden.
Huh?
It's too deep, ha? Forbidden.
I know swim.
Okay. Watch your step, sir.
No worries. So we can jump. That's a good news. Seriously good news. Wow, it is better than yesterday. Yesterday was fully rain. Whoa. Yeah. They are doing one shot. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. That's beautiful. Seriously awesome. Woo! Wow. Crystal clear water.
Very cold.
It's okay. It's cold.
Cold. Super cold.
Look at that. Say hi.
Good. Jump over there.
Okay. Jump.
Jump over there.
Yeah, sure.
Shout out from India. Shout out, guys. Lifestyle, everybody.
Okay.
Go, let's jump.
Come on, boys. Come on. So cold.
Oh shit. It's too cold, brother.
It's deep here. It's deep here. Don't cross here. Deep.
It's deep.
It's deep here.
I know how to swim, bro.
And then it's fine.
Let's go.
You don't come here. It's deep.
Shout out! Lifestyle Philippines! What the fuck?
Wow.
Al, picture mo ako, Jonah!
Wow.
Jonah, picture mo kami! It's too cold, bro.
Okay, let's jump. Now time to jump.
Oh, it's time to jump, bro. Hey, brother.
Time to jump.
Fix it. This is challenging, guys.
Ah,
Bro.
okay.
Oh no.
Ready? Okay, that's good. Okay.
No, I'm the one who leads him.
Woo! Look at my pro going over there. Okay, stay there. Yes, hold the camera. Right here. Go a little bit up and put the camera like this.
Oh, it's too challenge, bro.
It is. Okay, go up a little bit. Wow. Okay, now. Wow! They're here.
We're here now.
Woo! Yeah! You're almost here? Wow! Woo!
Over there, bro.
Yeah!
Be careful.
Woo! Look at that.
Nice time, everybody. We're here at Tanawan Falls,
Okay.
guys.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel will be awesome. Thank you. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay?
Let's go, guys.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Go. Three. Guys. Go. Let's go. Let's go deep.
Yesterday I came here full of rain, so I couldn't make the video. Even if I make a video, it is not fully satisfied. But today the climate is not bad, but still I went for jumping. These people came here to help me to jump over there. Yeah, they came over here. Right now It's like 3:50. If I leave from here, maybe I will go home around 6:30. That's the situation. But I'm really totally happy. I highly recommend these waterfalls for everyone. Please come over here. If you know swimming, go to the cliff and jump over there. I highly recommend it. The water very crystal clear and very cold. If you bring some food, you can eat over here at the same time. Very relaxing place. I highly recommend for everyone. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Bye.